Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Have you ever loaded your data into a new QGIS project and just seen it's floating in a blank white space? It's an actual common problem. Without any context, and it's almost impossible to know if your data is in the right place or to just make sense of what you're looking at. That's where Basemaps come in our topic for today, and I can tell you they're an actual game changer. The base map is basically a foundational layer for your map. It's either the satellite imagery, the street map, or the simply terrain background that gives your own data real world context. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and most popular way to add a huge variety of web-based map to your QGIS project using the HCMGIS plugin. By the end of this short video, you'll be able to add everything from Google Satellite and Google Map to OpenStreetMap and many others with just a simple click. This is one of the very first skills every QGIS user should learn. So let's quickly dive in. In our subsequent video, we have taken us through on how to download the HCMGIS plugin. The link is in our bio. You should have it somewhere around here. So there won't be need to go into the download again. So just check out our video to get to know how to download. So moving straight, once we have our plugin, we just click that. We have Basemap, no stress. Once you do that, you have a variety of basemaps to add. Just simply click on the one you're interested in, and voila, you have your basemap added. Depending on the type of basemap you're trying to work on, we have OpenStreetMap. Let me try another one. I have the terrain hybrid, and it goes on and on. So it's that very simple. In just a few minutes, we've shown you how to bring in the massive library of base maps that we have on QGIS that you can actually use immediately to any of your work. This is a skill you will use on almost every single map you should make from now to make it more real-world context. If this tutorial helped you set up your project, please give the video a thumbs up. It's the best way to let me know that the content we are making is useful and it actually helps the channel reach more people. Now, I'd love to hear from you as always in the comments. What's your favorite go-to base map to use in any of your projects? Is it a satellite? Is it a straight map? Or something else? Please let me know in the comment. And finally, if you wanted to learn more essential QGIS skills, just like this one, make sure you subscribe to GeoKloud Academy and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. And as always, happy mapping.